Hi everyone, I'm Xiaoxian and I'm going to walk you through my logical data model today, which I created in Lucidchart for our ERD assignment. So let's dive right in. As you can see at the left side of the model, there's an individual entity which holds all the key demographic information about each person in the system. This includes their name, date of the birth, country of the birth, their mother's name, citizenship status, and visa status. The individual ID is the primary key here since it uniquely identifies each individual. Now, moving to the right side, each individual can be assigned to a shelter, and that's managed through a separate housing assignment table. I created this as a junction table since it connects individuals to shelters and tracks additional info like the dates they were assigned and when their eligibility expires. The shelter itself is represented in the shelter table, which includes the shelter's name, address, and the type, like whether it's a bed or family room type. The relationship from individual to housing assignment is labeled to assigned to, and then from housing assignment to shelter is labeled as assigned for. Now let's look at the assignment program entity in the top middle section. Individuals can apply for various support programs, so set up a many-to-many relationship between individuals and programs using the program enrollment table. This enrollment table keeps track of who is enrolled in what program, along with the enrollment date and status field. That's how I represent the relationship of someone being enrolled in a program, including that person. Moving on, legal support is also part of the system. So I added a legal representative table to store rep IDs and their names because one individual can have multiple reps and one rep might represent multiple individuals. I use another junction table called rep assignment to handle this many-to-many relationship. So from individuals to rep assignments and then to legal representatives, I've labeled the relationship as overseen by and assigned to you respectively to help describe the connection clearly. For all the relationships, I've used cross-foot notation to show attributes and I added directional labels to help clarify the flow, so it's easier to understand how each table is connected and what kind of interaction it represents. All foreign keys, primary keys are clearly marked in the chart. I make sure now to repeat data across tables. For example, names or IDs are now duplicated, and every many-to-many relationship is resolved properly with the junction table. I believe this model supports everything listed in the project requirements and will work well as a foundation for a small application that manages housing and legal support for individuals. So that's it for my model. Thanks so much for watching.